and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video from Life with Tiffy. Now today is another vlog day. I'm going to be taking you guys with me on the road for today's adventure. Every day is an adventure once me what's on my yard. So I'm going to look for shopping now, but don't you worry about that, guys, because today I'm going to show you a very interesting part of my preparation process for Christmas. What are you doing to prepare for Christmas? You know, it's COVID, it's different, but don't make COVID stop, you know. Do what you would normally do, just in a less crowded way. So the next time you see a girl, I won't look so shabby. I'll look a little more fly. See you in a bit. Ooh. Wait, stop. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please, I'll ask you kindly to hit the subscribe button down below. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when your girl uploads a video. That's what I said. And be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you like the video and drop a comment down below so I can respond to you. So the next time you see me, I'll be fly. I told y'all I'll be back, so my hair is done and I'm ready. I'm going to Cantata rehearsals. Are you having Cantata? Like our Christmas production at your church, at your office, I don't know, wherever you are. What are you doing for Christmas? So I'm taking y'all along with me today to see how that goes, to see what that is like. You know, I really enjoy these rehearsals. I enjoy getting ready. I like acting, if you don't know by now. Your girl likes to act. So I like it. I don't know my lines. I know my lines, but I'm gonna practice. So you're gonna get to see that today and you get to see what I'm doing. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head out now because I am late. What's new? What new, Tiffany? What new? You're hungry. See you soon. So folks, reach halfway through, we'll get Patty in Tasty. Guys, let me tell you something, halfway through in a nice walk here. Here teeth, so I'll put up my phone. So guys, I reached my destination, having Patty and cocoa bread, traveling partner. So we're just gonna mash down this before the rehearsal starts. I have Patty and cocoa bread. Where do you realize? This is what Jamaica is about. Am I the only person who sandwiches my Patty and cocoa bread and then cook it up to the end? Separate them and the bread along with the Patty at home. You do that? Now I don't know, I can't eat that church, but we don't need. I'm over there. So guys, let me introduce you to Charlotte. She's born.
Hi guys.
Charlotte is jealous. Hi Charlotte.
Very jealous.
So guys, something unique about Charlotte is that she can speak my second language, Chinese. So I'm gonna start, she's gonna respond. We're ready now. Now she knows me.
OK， 大家好，我叫雪莱，我来自牙买加，我是一个学生，在北京语言大学，我学习的专业是汉语言，认识你很高兴。
What she just said is Tiffany's the most beautiful person ever.
Of course not.
Wait, I'll tell her one second. I don't know what she
I
said. was
like, hi everyone, my name is L.I.F.E. That's my Chinese name. It's Shelly, that's the meaning of it. I'm from Jamaica, of course, and my university is Beijing Language and Culture University, and I'm studying Mandarin.
Anyway, I practice that start on the honey I go to look. I know what's going on.
No shut up life on here. You take everything to the time. The time has come.
He go away.
Look here. Go back, run. Go,
Don't talk up man, you're worrying my nerves.
Lord, my sister, what a momentous occasion this is it.
Guys, I'm tired. I'm pop down. They have me down at the rehearsal.
Never pop. Never pop nor down.
Never pop nor down. Never pop. That will never happen.
That will never happen.
So soon wrap up here, son. I get to go home. That's what checking back with you guys. I am so excited. So folks, we are finished with rehearsal and we're going to get food. Guys, my sister's a Christmas at Jamaica. Oh!
That's something.
He does my creepy finger.
Yeah.
Judge me. Guys, Christmas Day, you know? No matter face, I come to Jamaica.
Judge.
Oh, this you think them come by?
Yeah, I think I was back.
Oh, and this in my head, right?
Oh, yes, we forgot about the place there. Long time.
Not a long time, me I talk to you.
I true you talk.
Right down on the bottom of the plaza.
Yeah, man, true. Come out to the road, sir. No, garlic hot.
Guys, Average lit.
Jeez, a long time I not go there. I should try that.
Lit. Christmas Day. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Want to see this?
Where? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Work over there. So I spot here. Can't want to come to the car.
You staying?
No, I'm going to come. That hungry belly boy there. Come, Petty.
Jeez, I'm for the line. You like that?
Line? Jeez, I'm going to clear it.
Will you take line, you know? That was what I'm
Christmas line.
Alright,
In the car?
In that bag.
Go for it.
Go, Ben.
Hurry up and go for your muscle, because you know it's a COVID time. What one line, yeah? So this is where we're going to Sakura Express. Chinese food, which is not good food, but you can't last for many.
Beside the noodles. One beside the noodles.
What about onions?
So give me that and this.
What is gravy there? Put some of that gravy upon it. What is?
What is that?
Yeah, give me the jerk. So one food?
Yeah, no, thank God.
This sick.
Thank you, thank God. Good sir.
What's my poking bag?
Guys, at the line, if I don't tell that I'm concerned about this whole food and where it comes from. I'm not gonna email you, so that's good.
Yeah.
NCD, Mr. Every month, on the machine at work and put people through distress. Only for starters in a line. Look at this line.
Alright, we're not walk very slow.
Bull up on the line.
Exactly. Jesus.
Anyway, I got the line, I go along.
God.
Where I look for?
First come in and no.
Wait.
Really? What?
Careful. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to find an empty machine. The struggles.
NCB, I mash up people like.
NCB, yeah, mash up. And I put up my phone again because I don't want them to see it. Morning guys, so we're continuing on the vlog. This has officially become my weekend vlog because today is Sunday, so I'm just gonna take you guys along with me to church, so stay tuned. Oh, wait, I don't know. Ready? I have to leave now guys, so see you at church.
In recognition of your achievement in completing your 6th form studies, graduating with honors, receiving the Leadership Award for Captain of the School Challenge Christie, and the Head Boy Award, his Bachelor of Laws degree at the University of the West Indies. Bless the Doctor of Education in Educational Administration. Hallelujah.
It's like you guys haven't moved. This is right where we began. Hello. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I hope you enjoyed coming on the road with me. So that was what my weekend was like. I may add a few clips of Friday night. I don't know yet. But that Saturday and Sunday, it was not the most adventurous weekend. But that's how life is. Every day we don't go to the hotel. Every day I'm not in Ocean Rails. Every day I'm not traveling Jamaica. Sometimes it's just dealing with the realities of my life, business, fun, preparing for Christmas, and going to church. So guys, so thank you very much for tuning in to another video. Guys, if you have not already, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and hold up, stop right there. I know that you're watching the videos and ain't liking them, did you? Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down the bottom. Once it turns blue, then your like has been registered. Don't forget guys to share this video with a friend, and again thank you very much for all your love and support. Bye. It's Sunday afternoon. I'm about to go finish up my dinner, and then I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna watch TV. Lick 2 domino. How about me too? Anyway, bye guys.